Hello kids! Today we are going to learn names of animals and their sounds. Are you excited for it? So let us start.
Can you hear this sound? Which animal sound is this? This is duck sound. Do you know which animal of these is duck? The first one, second one, or the third one? The second one is duck. Good job. Which animal sound is this? This is tiger sound. Do you know which animal of these is tiger? This third animal is the tiger. Can you hear this sound? This is bee sound. Which of these is a bee? The first one, second one, or the third one? Can you tell me? This first one is a bee. Good job. This is sheep sound. Which of these is a sheep? Can you guess it? Yes, good job. The first animal is a sheep. This is horse sound. Can you guess which is the horse? The first one, second one, or the third one? This third animal is the horse. Good job. This is duck sound. Which of these is a duck? This first animal is the duck. This is bear sound. Which of these animals is a bear? The first one, second one, or the third one? This third one is a bear. Good job. This is dog sound. Which of these animals is a dog? Can you tell me? Yes, this third one is a dog. This is frog sound. Which of these animals is the frog? Yes, you guessed it right. The first animal is a frog. This is seal sound. Can you tell me which of these is a seal? Yes, the first animal is a seal. This is lion sound. Can you tell me which of these is a lion? Yes, good job. The first animal is a lion. Good job.
I hope you all know now the names of animals and their sounds. If you want to learn many other things with me, then please like my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.